Okay, this is Survival LT. Today I want to show you how to make fire. Taking a squirrel's nest and another piece of char cloth. This is just for experiment only. I don't recommend this to anybody to do this. But if you're broke down you're out in the wilderness stuck and you need to get a quick fire, try to find you some tinder, okay? And the reason why I got my hood up on my truck, I'm going to use my jumper cable. I'm going to try to sort this battery out. To start this fire, man. And it's a little windy today, so I got that char cloth stuck inside there. Hold on. Must be the coating on these. There it goes.
Woo!
Just got to catch a spark on these, on this char cloth. I think I got it. Start it. There you go. There you go, big old ball. You stick this in your fire bundle. I do not recommend to do this at all, so just for demonstration purposes only. Have a nice day. Survival T is out and gone. Remember John 3:16.